लीगल फ्रेजेस क्लास 2। इन लास्ट क्लास में हमने हमारे कुछ काफ़ी पोर्शन लीगल फ्रेजेस का हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया था। वी ऑलरेडी हैड डन phrases, legal phrases in last class. ठीक है, सो नाउ इन टुडे क्लास जो हमारे पेंडिंग के phrases हैं वो हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. ठीक है, ओनली फ्यू phrases आर लेफ्ट ऑफ legal phrases, so let's do it. So this is the continuation class of the last class of legal phrases. So first phrase is High Court of Justice. Then this is high, then court, KR in half length, and for justice is J. Simply we make the stroke J for justice. Next is Queen's Bench Division. So Queen's, this is Queen's, then for bench stroke B, and for division stroke D. Next is judgment summons. So judgment J in double length, judgment, then summons, circle S, M, N hook, and circle S. Summons. Next is Queen's Counsel Real Estate. So this is Queen's, okay, this is Queen's, oh, I joined the two phrases together, so we are doing for the Queen's Counsel. So this is Queen's, and for counsel is K, Queen's Counsel. ठीक है, next is we will do the phrase of real estate further. In last we will make the outline for real estate. Next is jurisprudence. So jurisprudence में JR and S and P. Next is recognizance. So ये हो गया हमारा upward R, then K and N. Recognizance. Next is justice of the peace. So ये हो गया J S and P for peace. Justice of the peace. ठीक है, and of the का omission. Next is revisionary bonus. So for revisionary we make the stroke R and then bonus B and S, bonus. Next is learned counsel, then L and R, learn and counsel के लिए K. Next is trust funds, TR, S, then F, N and circle S. Trust funds. Next is learned counsel for the defense. So इतना outline same बनेगा. ये हो गया हमारा L, upward R, then K, learned counsel, then for the का omission, then defense, D, F and S, defense. Next is verdict for the defendant. So verdict, we are in half length, verdict, and defendant. So D in half length and F. ठीक है, verdict, defendant. Learn, judge, then L R learn and फिर है हमारा judge. Next is verdict for the plaintiff. So इतना सेम ये हो गया हमारा verdict and plaintiff, PL and F, plaintiff. Next is legal state. So legal and half length of SD, state. Voluntary conveyance. So V, voluntary. Next conveyance. Next is will and testament. Will and testament. So ये हो गया हमारा will, फिर and का omission and TSMN, testament. Next is your worship, then your, then upward R and SH, worship. Okay. Next is real state. So up R, downward L and S and T in half length, real state. ठीक है. सो अभी हमारे सारे लीगल फ्रेजेस कंप्लीट हो गए हैं गाइस. इनको हमने 2 पार्ट्स में किया. फर्स्ट पार्ट हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके थे एंड ये हमारा कंटिन्यूएशन पार्ट था. सेकेंड पार्ट था लीगल फ्रेजेस का. अब हमने ऑलमोस्ट सारे लीगल फ्रेजेस कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. So only what you have to do, only practice of all the phrases जो भी हमने अभी तक की क्लासेस में करे हैं. So do practice of all the phrases.